to drive an RC car, and I do not know how good I am. So I'm gonna go. Dang it! No, I can't move. This is my first time trying to drive an RC car. And if I go forward, dang it. Can't move. Yeah, I'm gonna be back. I just hit my sister. Oh! I just hit her. Look, you can even see. I just hit her with my car. I put the phone on the back. Okay. So here's the problem, guys. I just got this new thing. I'm gonna see if you guys can like it. Here, I'm just gonna try to hit that purse. If you guys can see.
Mine hit. And my foot
Get out of the way.
got it in my name.